Hey there gardeners, Chris here from Steading. We're going to plant some peas. Now I've got some beds here which were originally set up as potato beds. This one over here still has potatoes growing in it. In fact, this one here does as well, but we never really had the success that I was hoping for. So what we're actually going to do heading into autumn and winter is we're going to put some peas in. Now I was thinking about putting beans in, but I must have forgotten to get any seeds. But we've got some snow peas, the purple flowered variety. These are a green patch organic seed. We've also got some climbing peas and purple potted. And then I've just got some Mr. Fothergill's sugar snap peas. And the only reason I'm gonna chuck some of these in as well is because I tried to grow some of the other peas previously and it might have just been too hot, I don't know, but none of them really succeeded. So we had a bit of a false start over in some other garden beds, but I've prepared this specially. So I've put new good soil in, I've put a little bit of compost in there as well. We've got a little bit of mulch over the top just to protect the soil generally. It's getting watered regularly, so it should be perfectly ideal for putting our peas in here. I think the main concern I have is that I think with all of our garden beds, the trees are getting their roots into them and taking all the water out and even the nutrients. So that is a bit of a concern, but solving that's going to be a solution for another day. For now, each of these beds are going to get some peas that will be basically growing, hopefully, if this succeeds, up this enormous trellis here, which should provide heaps and heaps of growing space. Being taller, we're in the shade of the house here now, but it gets decent sun during the day and less so in winter, so that's where we're heading. But this adds a heap of height, so hopefully these, if they get growing, will still get enough sun to be really productive, even though we're in a slightly shadier spot. So we'll see how we go with that. Because obviously I probably should have taken some notes during the heart of winter last year to figure out what was kind of necessary. I didn't, but we can chuck these in. So let's do we'll do our purple flowered snow peas over here, and to be honest, all of those are looking a little bit moldy. So yeah, maybe there was some issues. I think, oh, no instructions on, yeah, so it looks like cover pretty well. We're going to plant them closer than probably is totally recommended. Because I'm not even sure if they're going to come up. From the soil perspective though, this should be ideally suited to getting these going. We'll put these ones in the other bed. Oh, there's a lot of them in there. What we're going to do, I've actually got another garden bed over the other side where I wouldn't mind trying these as well. These ones don't look moldy, which is definitely a plus. We'll get the mulch off and so those ones, which are our climbing purple potted peas, we've actually, or I've actually, because it's just me here, planted them in 2 seeds per little planting, again in the hopes that they will succeed. We'll give these a really good water. What I'm actually going to do is in a second go and plant the rest of these in a spot, because there was another spot that this whole idea was planned out for, and I'll show it to you in a second. But in the meantime, we'll put some of these guys in as well. And because we can go a bit further up. We got plenty of trellis, which was one of the advantages of using a full panel. And the peas are, I'm pretty sure they're nitrogen fixers like beans, so if this works, they should from the little bit of research I did, go quite well with our potatoes, which are heavy feeders. Yeah. Come with me. So I don't know if you'd call it ironic, but here, where we've got some weeds growing, is where I planted my beans previously, or peas, I think. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure either way. Now, we actually do have a Hardenbergia, which is like an Australian in the legume family, I'm pretty sure. But I tried to put in some seeds to grow up this little bit of trellis that I'd chucked in, and nothing seemed to happen. And looking at the soil here, because again, we worked on that soil, but there's tree roots. So this bed was worked and the soil was worked, and the tree roots have pretty much immediately come up and continued to suck the life out of this garden bed. So it is a bit of an issue, but we're gonna give the peas another go. And so on the one hand, obviously, with the competition from the trees, it's not ideal. But on the other hand, this is getting watered every day, and I do fertilize and everything like that. So you would think it'd be okay, but apparently not. Apparently not that easy.